Hey, this is Alfredo Nava. This is going to be pretty much one of the final tests on the whole system for the intelligent navigational robots. Right now we will actually have a full simulation, and we have 3 status LEDs right here. What will happen is this robot already has the optimized path of this maze right here, and just to simplify this demo, this one will turn it on and will transmit the data to this robot. This robot will be traversing the maze. As it traverses the maze, it's going to assume that it started at a different position from this robot. So it will analyze the maze, and as it is going through each junction, it'll try to find a common path. Once it does that, then it'll try to find a significant junction. And once it has found a significant junction, then it'll start following the optimized path from there on. Since this maze is pretty short, it'll most likely find the significant junction right there and pretty much start following the optimized path from there on and skipping the rest of the options. So the green LED means that the robot is following, is trying to find the common path, and it has also received data. The yellow LED means that the robot has found a significant junction. And then the red LED means that the robot is following the optimized path. Basically, when they're all on, the robot is now following the optimized path. And as these robots are traversing the maze, as this robot traverses the maze, we will have the data right here. It'll be printing out statuses of what it's going through. So right there, as it traverses the maze, you can see here the other robot has sent the data. The LED turned green right there, so this robot has received the data. It is now also printing out common path detection debugging data to let us know that it is trying to find a common path and if each junction is common or not. So once it has found 5 similar junctions, it'll put on the status for that it has found a common path. So at this point, it has probably gone through about 4 junctions. It will find the common path right at this junction, and there it is. Now both of the LEDs turned on. Usually, right after it finds a significant junction, it'll turn on immediately, and that marks the end of the maze. And as we go back here to see the debugging data, the robot was comparing the junctions right here. It was going through the 5 steps. It finally, on the 7th junction, it found a common path. Down here, it'll say that the common path found, and it tells us it is finding a significant junction. It lets us know that it found a significant junction, and it tells us what the index of the significant junction is. So then from this index, it'll go right here, 0, 1, it'll go 1, 2, 3, 4. Right here, the S, and so it'll go straight, and that's why it was right there. It went straight rather than turning left. And so now it'll print out its own data, which is the same data that we had before from the optimized path.